Oh yeah, right, and welcome back in today's video. So let me take this chance to welcome you viewers and subscribers that you are highly welcomed. Today we're gonna show you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So this app is on Google Play Store. Simply open your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. In the search bar, you search for this VPN app. The app is known as Boost VPN Navega. So you search for that, and among the presented, you pick this one. Among the presented, you pick it. So this is the app name. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection, and also enhance on your online activities when you are online. Take note of the app name and also the app icon. And before using this VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions. Also make sure that you follow them. And then you are required to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure to adhere with them. Additionally, please you read your internet service provider terms and conditions regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure to follow them. And after installing this app, you're required to set it up. So you open the app, and when you open the app, it will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So when you reach in the app home screen, you'll be required to set it up. So first of all, you're required to tap on this update button, and when you tap on this update button, this app will start to check for the available updates, and it will update to its latest version in order to provide you with the latest configured settings so that it can work as it secures your connection. And the other setting is you're required to pick a connection method. So for today's guide, we recommend you to pick UDP World. This is because UDP is fast and secure, and it is working for all countries which support UDP. And UDP is stable. And if UDP is not working in your country, just tap here, and when you tap there, it will reveal a list of connection methods, and it will reveal a list of countries. Just pick your country. If UDP is not working for you, you can easily search for it in the search bar right here. You can either search for your country name. So for today's guide, we have just chosen UDP World. This is because UDP is fast and secure as we are online. So after picking UDP, you are required to add on time, where you see the countdown right here. So you are required to trace this button, and you will see that the app will add on its connection time so that you can secure your connection for a long session when you are online. So after that, you're required to initiate a connection, a super fast and a secure connection, by tapping on this start button. So when you tap on it, simply give this app a few seconds for it to establish a connection, and within a few seconds this app will be connected, and you'll see that the VPN service is running smoothly. And that's how we set up Boost VPN to get extra protection, to secure our online connection when we are online, and also to enhance on our online activities when we are using the internet. Please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe on our channel.